Amid global concerns over the Omicron strain, India has reported its first 2 cases of the Omicron variant. The cases were reported in India's southern state of Karnataka.
Of Omicron have been detected in Karnataka so far through the genome sequencing effort of INSACOG consortium of 37 laboratories established by the Ministry of Health. We need not panic, but awareness is absolutely essential. COVID appropriate behavior is required. Use of masks, hand hygiene, and not going to and not organizing mass gatherings will help breaking the chain of transmission of Omicron.
The variant has been found in 2 men aged 66 and 46. Both the cases are mild and there are no severe symptoms so far. The Health Ministry has said that all those who have come in contact with the 2 patients have been traced and are further being tested.
हमारे इंसाकॉग के नेटवर्क के द्वारा समय रहते उन केसेस को डिटेक्ट किया गया और जो हमारा प्रोटोकॉल है उसके तहत उनके सारे जितने भी कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं उनको आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया गया है और उन सबको मॉनिटरिंग में रखा जा रहा है। तो जो हमारा प्रोटोकॉल है मैनेजमेंट का वह कार्य कर रहा है।
The Omicron variant has been classified as a variant of concern by the World Health Organization. As of now, the variant has been detected in 26 countries. Meanwhile, India has reported a total of 10 positive cases that have arrived from the at-risk countries, which is a list of countries from where travelers would need to follow additional measures on arrival in India. Currently, all the 10 who have tested positive for COVID-19 are being monitored closely. And for more on this, our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibul, has sent us this report. Take a look.
India has confirmed first 2 cases of the Omicron variant of COVID virus. They have been detected in the southern Indian state of Karnataka. These are 2 males, and since the first case was detected in South Africa, since then there has been a cause of concern regarding this variant of COVID virus, and globally we have seen countries coming up with new measures, including India. India announced new measures when it comes to international travelers who are coming into the country, and in last 24 hours more than 35 flights have landed and people have undergone RT-PCR tests. There are few cases as well which have been detected with the virus, and they have been sent for further testing. But all in all, the message from the Indian government is that there is no need to panic, and we know that given what has been happening in the last 2 years since the COVID crisis spread across the world, new rules, new protocols have come into effect, and this time the governments globally are much more prepared when it comes to dealing with any sort of eventuality. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Siddhant Sibul for WION in New Delhi.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.